Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch accounts in the Threads app. If you are one of the million pupils who have joined the new sensation Threads and you have multiple accounts, this video is for you. There are two methods to switch accounts in Threads. First, using the Thread app itself, and second, using the Instagram app. We will explain both these methods in detail so you could choose the one that works best for you. How to switch accounts in Thread. So first of all, open the Thread application, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner, and then tap on two bars in the upper right corner and simply go for this logout. Click on logout again. It will take you to the home page. Here tap on switch accounts and choose the account you want to log in. As you can see, we have successfully switched between different accounts. We wish there was a way to switch accounts without logging out, but currently this is the only option you have. Since we don't have to enter password to log in to our account, we think this method is easy enough. Now let's see how you can use the Instagram account to switch between the Threads profile. For this, open the Instagram application. Tap on your profile icon, tap on your profile name in the upper left corner, choose the other account you want to view in Threads. Here you will notice the Threads ID assigned to your Instagram account. Just tap on this underneath your profile name and tap on this View Threads Profile. It will open your profile in Threads. Note, this method only allows you to view the profile temporarily but does not switch your profile in the Threads app. When you hit the back button, you will go back to your original profile which you have logged into. And that's how you can switch accounts in the Threads app. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.